I want you advise me how I can like writing or reading books.
I have an idea. I will give you an article that is easy to read, and I will read with you.
Okay.
It's very short. This is
Uh-huh.
a very small
Uh-huh.
article. Let's try to read
Okay.
this.
As I start read now.
Yeah, Facebook
Okay,
stops.
Facebook stops Donald Trump account. The account is his was to go on Facebook and ban, right?
Uh-huh.
2 years ago, the ban comes because Trump breaks Facebook's rules. Trump says that it's okay when Facebook stops people. Facebook say that Trump's account can be open again if Trump behaves well on social, right?
Social.
Social. If the ban is finished after 2 years, Trump can ask Facebook for the next
Presidential election.
election in 2024.
Okay, that's it. Now you will repeat after me, and I will help you correct your mistakes, okay?
Okay, thanks.
The ban is 2 years long. Let's try this word one more time. Ban.
Ban.
Well.
Well,
Good job. On social media.
on social media.
Social media.
Social media.
Good job.
Thank you so much.
Nothing comes easy. Every day you have to do this. Every day you have to practice like this. You have to try. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?